Hi guys, today is Saturday and we're doing like a bunch of cleaning and I wanted to show you a realistic view because my room has been put on hold for a very long time. The worst I have ever let it go, and you guys want to see cleaning videos, organizational videos, all of that, so I figured I would show you. I will say this room is not big. The only thing I'm not going to show you is inside the closet, and I'm exposing myself. Also, we were up so late. We're watching like some documentary on aliens and stuff. So, yeah. Maybe it's not bad to you, but this is extremely bad for me. So, we're going to start at this corner. Old ice water, stuff down below, makeup bag on the floor, all this. Start scanning some more. I have products. I tried out that yesterday randomly. Trash. Products that got sent, products down below that are kind of organized in a way. This is kind of organized, my hair bin. So I have a bunch of random stuff up here. I'm saving this for an empties video. We used those last night. So I'm just like, okay, I found it. I literally was like, where's an open spot? There we go. This is all open. This is like my dog's ear infection medication, or, you know, for his ears. Okay. This is for your face. That's not nothing nasty. We got these all open. I don't know why. Now we're going to get over to... Oh my God, there's shit there. Another random purse. Here's the desk. Full of crap all over. And, yep. Keeps going and going. I'm drinking this. That's my phone. And then we got a clothes order the other day, literally on the floor. So bad. I have a Disney bag giveaway, which I haven't been active on my Disney account at all. I have not had any time. I don't know. I don't want to let that go, but follow me at Disney with Lizzie. It's going to be active soon, but not right now. I don't have time. And then I just have, let me cover up bills and such. Yeah, a Christmas present. I still haven't opened. Like, I opened it, but like I haven't opened it. Yeah. Just crap all over. So, I got another clothes order. It's right there. This is makeup that I started putting together for giveaways for you guys. And then this is stuff, I got in a car accident. I don't know if you guys know, but I got rear-ended. And they still haven't started on my car, and it's been already a month. There's been so many delays and issues, and it wasn't even my fault, but now they finally got the parts, so they're gonna start working on it next week. That was in my trunk, so I gotta go through that stuff. It's like random stuff, like literally a white bikini top that I never even used. I used that for like a dance comp, or I was gonna use it for like a dance comp like years ago. Like, what the hell. I'm not gonna show you this closet because it's like a bunch of random stuff, and I don't feel like I want to show you that. Honestly, I feel very embarrassed because I think it's really bad to disrespect your stuff. You guys may not think it's a big deal, but I feel like how your room looks is how your life is. And honestly, this doesn't surprise me because my life has felt pretty chaotic the last couple months, and it's freaking me out. And this might not even be bad to you guys, but I never ever have had it this bad. I feel like girls always look cute when they film, and honestly, I look like death in those previous shots. Plus, I put on a bra for you. I just feel like, blah, it's that time of the month. Time has visited me. Ugh. But then I put on this pink, and then I thought, oh my gosh, am I the pink stuff? That's how I feel. Okay. I don't know how I'm going to do this, but I'm just going to talk through it because I think it might be a little bit easier. I don't know if you like music overlay. Let me know because I don't really film these videos, but I organize and I clean, and I know you guys want to see this, so brought to you by the pink stuff. Let's go. I'm just going to close all of these because it's driving me insane right now. I'm going to do a makeup collection and all of that, but not right now. I want to do a declutter, so my sweater got caught. I'm going to close all that. I'm going to just start grabbing stuff off the floor. What I usually do is I have a basket. I'll put all my makeup in there, and then I start going drawer by drawer, and I start putting everything away. Also, I want to organize this because I'm pretty much emptying this out, and I want to put all my lippies in there as opposed to in here. I don't like them on top. I want to alleviate that lipstick case, so we're going to do that too. I just start putting all the lippies, like these are all different lippies, and I put the lippies all together just so I can put them all away at the same time. These are like some pens. These shouldn't even be here. Lip liners. Let me know. Are you guys doing pre-spring cleaning? I think I definitely need to do this. And then I just grab all my brushes, doesn't matter if they're dirty, and I stick them all in here just to like kind of start clearing this up because it is just way too intense and crazy. But honestly, I haven't had my table this bad in such a long time. Oh my gosh, it is so bad. This goes in my closet. Okay, I'll just put those there for right now. But hopefully you guys will enjoy this video because it's honestly, I don't know, I'm pretty embarrassed. Okay, so usually what I do is I get a white bin. I don't have a white bin because I just started organizing some other stuff and I used it somewhere else. So I have a PR box, so I'm gonna start putting all of this makeup in here. And then I start putting it away little by little, like whatever I can. And we'll go from there. Okay, let's work on this side. This needs to go. This is so old. Right into the trash. Makeup, nail products. Whoa. I'm so sad, you guys. My Lana necklace broke yesterday. I have no idea how, so I'm going to have to take it to a jewelry store and get them to connect my cross, but I have to put that in a safe spot. Then this stuff right here, it actually goes in another area where I put new makeup that I want to try out. This is kind of a whole ordeal to film. Oh my gosh, I almost dropped them. A whole ordeal to film this. Whoa. Whoa. This is why I don't film these videos. Can you guys even see this drawer? Oh no, it's this one. This is my nail polish drawer. Let's bring you down a little bit more. There we go. Nail polish drawer. I have a drill here because it doesn't fit in here because I need to organize that. But I just stick them in here. This is how I store them. And since I'm here, I open this. This should go in here. This should go in here. I have my UV light. This is like my main little bag for all my nail stuff. Nail clipper. And then these two from the box. And that's pretty much set. Some of these I'm going to get rid of because I'm not using them all. Okay, hair tie. Hair tie. Plastic. I'm going to take these items. These are actually empties. And my drawer for empties is at the very bottom. Hi again. Hi from down here. And these are all the things I use up that I'm going to put in empties. That's why it gets kind of hard with this little tray. I kind of want to take it out. But these are products I've been using because I was possibly going to do a trying out makeup I hate video. But I'm not sure because now it's like, it's been in here. This idea has been here for a while. It's like, I don't think I'm going to do it. So I think I'm just going to get rid of it. These products are brand new ones like from e.l.f. and all of that, and NYX that I want to try out. And I actually showed this on my Instagram. So I'm going to start doing more unboxings of stuff. So these are all new. So this has to go into the try makeup bin, which is full. That pink bag is usually in my car. That's like my car bag where I have like tampons, deodorant, waterless shaver, like, you know, emergency stuff and all of that. And then over here is the bin where I want to try out new makeup. Now here it is. This is actually supposed to go here. So let's take a look. I need to put all this e.l.f. stuff. And this is the thing why I have that big bag ready for a giveaway. That one right there, because everything just starts piling up. So we're going to do this. And I need to give a donation because I got a lot of stuff. And that's what I'll usually do. Actually, most of the time I just donate it to like people who literally have nothing. So I think that's honestly what's best. But kind of in a bind right now because I haven't done it and I've had like a lot of things going on that I have to get done first. But I'll eventually get to it. Okay. This is kind of overflowing. It's kind of a thing, but we're going to do it. Okay. Let's bring you down here so you can see the success of this transfer. Okay, there's a paper here that I don't think I need. Now, this is the stuff that I got from my advent calendar, which you guys never saw, and it was for my Sigma one. So, do I need this little receipt? When you guys do, oh no, I don't. That was for Chinese food. When you guys do YouTube and all that, you have to keep track of every receipt, what you spend and all of that. But protection, I want to take all of these lipsticks and put them in here so I can have this free. Because I want to put my brushes maybe next to here because I have my brush holder, but I'm not sure yet. I'm just trying to see. To keep this because, yeah, how do you charge it? Because I haven't used this. How do you charge it? Because it's dead. Wait a minute. I don't know if it came with a charger or not. I can't remember because it's been such a hot minute. Now I'm really curious. Oh, it's hard. Okay, trash. So these are the new Nars Foundations. I put 2 layers of this and it honestly looked terrible on my skin because I put the wrong color and I think I put way too much. So a little goes a long way. I'm going to put these foundations. This is one of the drawers I want to clean up because you guys, I got one face. Like this is way too much crap and I do love a lot of these products, but it's like, it's stupid to me. It honestly is. Like I'm telling you, it just gets way too excessive and just way too much. So I like to keep the tubes here or like the random one here. Face powder always goes through here. Just put that there. Blush I bought, which I still haven't used, so I want to put that there. And voila! Glenn is working outside, but so far we are making some progress. I also want to make sure, let's put you. This is why I wanted my lippies, because I usually have like lip masks and stuff like that, like extras and backups that I really love. These 2 are way too old. They have to go. I never use them. And this lash serum has to go. This is a new one. This is a handle that came off of my tripod, which I wanted to try to figure out. Let's clean this all up, and then let's start putting my lippies in here. I kind of debated it because the lip gloss is leaking, and this like stands upright, but it's okay. I want to be using them where I can catch if that's going to happen. Wipe down, nothing too extreme because I just want to get this done. I got other stuff I have to do, and I can deep clean like in another video, but this is like a more organizational slash light clean with me, I guess you can say. But are you okay? Oh, okay. I was gonna have to help him. Maybe I'll have this and then I'll have pencils in here. Yes? Let's do that. Pencils, because I feel like that's not gonna get onto my contact. I don't know. I don't know what my reasoning is. But down here, I'm gonna have lip glosses just because those tend to kind of leak sometimes. So I have lip glosses all on this side. So we're just going to add these. Maybe lip glosses will be in these 2 drawers. Yes. Or liquid lipsticks. Okay, lip glosses on this side, liquid lipsticks on this. Maybe we're going to take these and put them here. We'll have lip glosses on this side. And then, or no. What am I doing? Lip glosses on this side, right here. And then I'm going to put lipsticks on this. No method to my madness, FYI. I'm just putting them in just so I could see them. So lip glosses, lipsticks, liquid. Alright, well sorry, my camera cut off, but I basically emptied all this. So now this is going to go away. I might use this in another drawer though. I'm not going to get rid of it because these slots are really good. So I'll put that to the side. I don't like throwing away stuff because I feel like whenever I do, that's like the second I need it. This is so gross. This is like a little face thing from LA Girl. I'm just going to toss this. I never mix things really. This one is also old. Oh my gosh. I'm going to get rid of that. And then I have this new one that I can just use and it's smaller and it's from MAC. So yeah, be kind to the haters. I just ignore them. This whole area is settled, nice and clean. Wipe this down with my wipes on the outside because I don't know about you, but whenever I do my makeup, I start grabbing things and I get foundation fingers and all that. I'm like grabbing stuff, so it gets like dirty on the outside. This will be going into the trash, but hopefully you guys enjoyed. I have more like cleaning videos and stuff I want to do, but this is just more casual. Also, I totally know like people like to see what people have or how they store things and all of that. Trust me, I'm the same way. I always like look at stuff like, oh, what is that? Oh, what'd she have? I'm totally like that too. So I'm going to end the video. Hopefully you enjoyed. We'll continue more. Like I'll show you, I want to switch up this whole desk area. I want to switch up this background because I am very tired of it. It is just such a snore, such a bore. If you have any ideas of what I should do in the background, let me know. I want to go to Home Goods. I have a lot of gift cards from Christmas, from a couple Christmases that I can use. Let me just show you the overview of the room now. It is not complete. Like my office section that needs to be revamped, and that'll be another video. So let's scan. Oh my gosh, so much better. Okay, so right when you enter, I have my little tables right here. They're completely clean now. These little bins down here are as organized as they're gonna get, to be very honest. I'm very happy with this area right here just because there's not all this stuff on top anymore, and now I have my lippies. It's just more clear. Now as far as my jewelry over there, I just put it away on my own, and then I just wipe down that whole area. There's my little pineapple cups right there. I use them as like brush holders or like just to hold things, and I love just having both of them in my room. As far as my desk, it's looking much better. I just have a couple other items I need to put away and figure out. That's a whole bag of skincare I need to put away, so that bag will be completely gone. So this stuff will be gone. I need to clean this one right here, this mirror. And this is like tech stuff I'm gonna put over there. But yeah, so much better, right? As far as the clothes that were on the floor, this area is still not done really. So I ended up just picking them all off the floor and just sticking them in their 2 boxes they came shipped in. I'm going to possibly do a try on. I'm not sure because I tried on the jeans and they're already way too big for me. So, and I didn't really get pieces where, I don't know, I can complete outfits. So I'm going to see because I got a lot of different things in the same colors. So yeah, this whole Disney section, I'm going to have to figure out for sure. As well as like my purses up there. I don't know. It's a mess. And then last but not least, I have like my little, you know, desk area, and this is not done yet. I'm going to have to figure this out and get rid of stuff. I just ended up putting some of my purses on my chair I'm going to put away. But other than that, that's how the outcome is. My main thing is like my filming area, you know, like with all the crap everywhere. So yeah, that's about it. All right, guys, well, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed. I know it's not picture perfect, but honestly, this is realistic. I don't have like one of those aesthetic type of themes. I just like it organized and clean and, you know, get rid of crap I don't need. I will be trying to organize and revamp my computer area because it definitely needs it. Just getting rid of like crap I don't need. Other than that though, I'm really happy. It's nice and clean and I got rid of a lot of stuff. But yeah, hopefully you enjoyed. Leave some love, leave some comments and some likes. It really helps my video and also helps just with any engagement. I'd really appreciate it. Let me know if you enjoyed this video because I don't really film organize and clean with me videos, but I want to do it. But I'm going to be doing realistic ones. I'm not going to show you the one where it's like not one thing at a place and everything's so perfect and everything matches and everything is like tip-top decor. Eventually, one day I will get there, but you guys can see the process. I hope you guys have a wonderful day or night, and I will see you beautiful people in the next one.